It's Uncle Chris, and I just came from St. Philip Neri. They were having a food giveaway of pantry items. So, I did that, and I just wanted to let you all see what it looks like in Chicago in the summertime on the south side. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. When we get back to the Uncle Chris Test Kitchen, we're going to take a look, see what we got, and what we could possibly make. Okay? All right.
Yeah.
Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I did another food pantry run today. And then, now this day, I have a camera woman. Miss Bambi's behind the camera.
Hello.
Check out what we got. You're going to be amazed. Okay. We actually have 3 cans of tuna. This one's dented, so I'm going to make sure the tuna's okay in here, you know, and if not, it will be filling for my garden outside. Okay. We got some soup, Simply Campbell's chicken noodle. I've never tried this, so I will let you know how it is. Fruit cocktail. Now, you know I'm going to use this for my summertime Jell-O pies. That's really good. I got some more sliced carrots.
Oh, I love them.
I do too, yeah. We got 2. Oh, and notice, no salt added. I tell you, the food pantry is the place to go when you want to get salt-free stuff. Yeah.
And if you notice, they are starting to go low sodium.
Yes. And the corn as well. I believe this is low sodium, yes.
Come down a little bit, Chris.
Oh, right. I got it because you did cheat a little bit.
Okay, I got you now. And I got the stuff.
We got some low sodium corn here, which is nice.
Perfect.
We got some organic diced tomatoes. And then I got some more. Ooh, look, Healthy Choice chicken noodle soup. Oh, love chicken noodle soup. We have, now look, garbanzo beans. You know what these are for? Making hummus. That's what I use them for. So take these and make you some good hummus, okay? All right. I'll show you how. I'll show you how.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't know what hummus is or how you make it.
It's
so
delicious.
That's going to be interesting to see.
We got some, what are these? Pasta rings? Basically, they're SpaghettiOs.
SpaghettiOs.
Yeah, basically. Oh, look at this one over here. We got some mayo.
Okay.
We got some creamy peanut butter. Cut green beans. Organic pumpkin puree, which I will use to make pumpkin soup. Now, I'm going to say this for last, because you know what? No, I'm going to do it now. Can anyone guess what's in this unmarked can? Whoever guesses correctly
I
is
would
going
say
to get...
potatoes.
Okay, well, I want you to comment down below. Whoever guesses correctly will get a gift from me. Just tell me where to send it, okay? You will love it. All right. Remember, guess what's in the can, guys. All right. Cream of mushroom soup, unsalted. Yes.
Big thing, big thing.
Some more cut green beans. I feel a soul food night coming on.
Mm-hmm. Sounds like a winner.
2 cans of diced tomatoes. No salt added. Love those. Now let's come over here.
Now look at this.
Oil. Pure corn oil. And we got some hot sauce. They gave condiments. Do you know how rare it is to get a condiment?
Especially a red hot, an expensive one.
Now, I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, coffee. I believe it's Colombian coffee. I'm not sure. Guys, let me know. I am not sure. This is nice. Look, organic.
It is
pasta.
coffee, La Colombia.
Yeah. You know I'm going to make that.
Yeah.
Hey, the spiral pasta, some shells, organic. Love this stuff. Love it. I got some black beans, cornbread. Ooh, red meal. Gluten-free. Let's see.
That's another good thing, gluten-free.
Oh, yeah. 2 packets of chili mix. Now, I'm going to see if there's a lot of salt in this. I will see. I will see if I use that or not. We also got some sugar-free drink mix, watermelon.
Kids go crazy for them if you make those popsicle sticks in the freezer.
And look at this. Steel cut organic oats. You like these, don't you, Bambi?
I love them.
This is
yes.
yours, honey. This is yours, definitely. Now, guys.
Okay, where are we going to now, Kristen?
Now, guys, check this out. This is going to be kind of amazing. They give what's called a goodie box. All of this stuff came from St. Philip Neri in Chicago. And the goodie box is a surprise box. So check this out. We have shrimp, salad shrimp.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see what else. Catfish nuggets.
All right,
Soul
now
food.
I see some fish dishes coming.
Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. 2 signature stadium plant-based hot dogs. 2 packs. 2 packs.
Good dogs.
Ooh, tofu vegetable dumplings.
Never had it.
I'm making them. Oh, I'm so making those. Oh, look at oh my goodness. I have a pack of ground beef. A whole pack. A whole pack of ground beef. Yes, yes. Absolutely.
Is that ground beef or turkey?
Ground beef.
All
yes.
right.
We got some more dumplings.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at this. Ground turkey.
Good for keeping.
3 of them. 3 of them.
There's a breakfast you can make with those. There you can make some kind of a hamburger helper in place of the hamburger.
Make that 4.
Whoa, nice. Saved you money there.
Look at this. Angus ground beef, 100%. Wow. Guys, can you guess what I'm about to pull out next?
Surprise us.
Party meatballs.
Oh my God, I have to go to Gordon's Food to buy a bag like that. That cost me almost $16.
This is great. No, I made a mistake. Yes, these aren't party meatballs. You know what this is, guys? It's Italian sausage for pizza. Italian sausage.
Still, you got a good deal there.
Look at this whole bag. I can't believe it.
Separate, look, baby.
We were really blessed today. Now, guys, all this week I'm going on food pantry runs, and I'm going to try to get Bambi as much stuff as I can, too. Also, our lady friend down the street who does not want to be mentioned, but we still get her stuff, of course. And some people, you know, it's the food pantry. But we have a true blessing. Check this out. I'm just giving us a pan.
Lots of meat.
Lots of meat.
Lots of stuff to make up with the meat.
And, I mean, it's so many recipes here. It's just unlimited. So write down what you might want to want me to make for you down below, okay? Let me know. All right? All right.
And he'll put a special taste to it.
Guys, I am so glad you are coming with me on these food pantry runs. So I'm going to see what tomorrow brings. Now, remember, guess what's in the mystery can? I will send you a present. Will it be Uncle Chris Spice? Will it be Uncle Chris Apron? Or will it be Uncle Chris Cookbook? All right. Now, you got to like, you got to subscribe, you got to comment, and we're trying to get 5,000 subscribers. Come on, guys. Spread me around like peanut butter and jelly. Talking about my weight. All right. Love you guys. Bye-bye.